Dear students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to do the first unit in 10th class English. First unit in 10th class English. What is the name of our first unit? Personality development. What is the name of our first unit? Personality development. What is the meaning of personality development? What is the meaning? Positiveness, hard work, honesty, and confidence. What is the meaning of personality development? Positiveness, hard work, honesty, and confidence. Here in this unit, first we have the face sheet. In the face sheet, we have the pictures of Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking, Helen Keller. Do you know who is Sudha Chandran? Sudha Chandran is a dancer. From her childhood, she is a dancer. In her teenage, she met with an accident. Because of that accident, she lost her leg. After losing the leg in the accident, once again Sudha Chandran tried a lot, worked hard, with positiveness, with confidence. Again she danced. In that way, she overcame her disability. That is called personality development. Stephen Hawking. Next picture is a picture of Stephen Hawking. Who is Stephen Hawking? A great scientist. We may say world's number one scientist. Recently, he died. We know so many things about this universe because of Stephen Hawking. In his childhood, he was a very clever student. In his high school also, he was a very clever student. When he reached his teenage, his body parts started paralyzing. Slowly, one by one, total body parts paralyzed, except the right eyebrow and right index finger. Whenever other scientists asked the doubts, he used to give the answers by raising his eyebrow. If the experiment is right, he raises his right eyebrow to say yes. Next, he uses this index finger to operate the computer, which is attached to his wheelchair. That's the greatness of Stephen Hawking. Here, Stephen Hawking, in his teenage itself, he got paralyzed. Even though he did not stop his work with positiveness, honesty, confidence, hard work, he achieved what he wanted. That is called personality development. Helen Keller. She is known as the eighth wonder of the world. She was a lecturer, political analyst, and a social worker. From her birth, she is blind and deaf. She can't see, she can't talk, she can't hear and talk also. She overcame her disability and did the social work, social service. That's the greatness of Helen Keller. All these people overcame their disabilities with hard work, honesty, and confidence. That's called personality development. Now in this unit we have the A reading. This is about Nick. What is the name of A reading? Attitude is altitude. What is the meaning of attitude? Behavior. Altitude means height. Our behavior takes us to the heights in the society, to the high position in the society. In this story, Nick, he is born torso. Torso means without body parts. Here Nick was born without hands and legs. When he was born, his parents shocked. His father got vomiting. His mother was unable to take him in her lap. She was unable to take Nick in her lap. After a few months, parents realized that we have to support our kid. They supported, they encouraged their kid. They taught each and everything to Nick to do himself. They taught him how to do the brushing himself. They taught him how to do the bath himself. Everything they taught Nick to do himself. Nick also learnt. But Nick's friends, they used to tease Nick. Nick was disappointed. He wanted to commit suicide. He attempted to commit suicide so many times. Fortunately, he was saved. One day, at the age of 13 years, he read an article about a disabled person who overcame his disability. By reading that article, Nick got confidence. From that day onwards, he did not feel disappointed. He did not feel shy. He concentrated on the things which he has. He did not worry about the things which he doesn't have. He learned playing football, golf. He learned to do surfing. Now, do you know what is Nick? He is a motivational speaker. International motivator. He is an international motivational speaker. He motivates so many people who are suffering from disability, who are disappointed with their disability. For those people, Nick is doing the counseling. How does he do the counseling? He can't do individually because some lakhs of people come to him. That's why countries select the big stadiums for the counseling. In that stadium, Nick gives the motivational speech. With that speech, so many disabled persons are inspired. That is the greatness of Nick. How does Nick overcome his disability? With positiveness, hard work, honesty and confidence. Next, B reading. What is a B reading? Every success story is also a story of great failure. For every success story, there is a failure. Behind every success, there is a failure. In this reading part, we have the information about Abraham Lincoln. Do you know who is Abraham Lincoln? Abraham Lincoln was the President of America. He got so many problems in his business. He lost his business so many times. In elections also, his opponents defeated him so many times. Even though Abraham Lincoln did not disappoint, at the age of 52 years, he became the President of America. Next, Thomas Alva Edison, a great scientist. Who invented the bulb? Thomas Alva Edison. Do you know how many times did Thomas Alva Edison fail to invent the bulb? 10,000 times. After trying 10,000 times, Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. In his childhood, his teacher said to his mother, "Your Tommy is too stupid to study. He is too stupid to learn anything." Then Thomas Alva's mother decided, "I teach my kid myself." She taught him and he became a scientist. He invented the bulb. He invented so many useful things. That's the greatness of Thomas Alva Edison. Wright brothers. Who invented the aeroplane? Wright brothers. When Wright brothers were doing the work on the invention of aeroplane, so many questioned their wisdom. Even New York Times, that's the name of a newspaper, that also questioned the wisdom of Wright brothers. Even though Wright brothers were not disappointed, they tried very hard and invented the aeroplane. Next one, Walt Disney. Mickey Mouse. Who is the inventor of Mickey Mouse? Walt Disney. It's very famous. In the beginning, when Walt Disney participated in competitions, when he showed his paintings to others, others said, "Your paintings are not good." They rejected the paintings, they rejected the drawings of Walt Disney. One day, Walt Disney was drawing the pictures in a church for a little money. When he was drawing pictures in the church, he saw a mouse in the church. With the inspiration of that mouse, he drew the pictures of mouse. They are famous as Mickey Mouse. In this B reading, we have all these people who overcame their difficulties with positiveness, hard work, honesty and confidence. That is called personality development. C reading. Now come to C reading. I will do it. I will do it. In this C reading, Narayana Murthy. Who is Narayana Murthy? The founder of Infosys. What is Infosys? World's popular IT company. Do you know about Narayana Murthy? In his childhood, he was a very clever boy. He was very interested in mathematics and physics. He was a clever boy. He used to explain the problems to his friends. Even his teachers used to surprise by the answers of Narayana Murthy. His high school study was completed. After that, he wanted to join in IIT. So many students that time wanted to join in IIT. Now also it's going on. Narayana Murthy wanted to join in IIT. For that one, they had to write the entrance examination. That time there was no material. They didn't have any material. Then Narayana Murthy prepared the material himself. He taught all the sums to his friends. He taught that material to his friends. In that examination, Narayana Murthy got the first rank. His friends got other ranks. But what happened here? Narayana Murthy's father said, according to our financial condition, I am unable to send you to IIT college. Then his friends joined IIT college. But Narayana Murthy decided, I am not going to join IIT college, but I will do the IIT myself. I will do it myself. He studied the syllabus of IIT himself. He completed IIT himself, and he established Infosys. Do you know his friends who joined IIT? Later they worked in Infosys under Narayana Murthy. That is the greatness of Narayana Murthy. Here Narayana Murthy overcame his difficulties with positiveness, hard work, honesty and confidence. That is called personality development. Students, this is our first unit in 10th class English, personality development. Thank you.